Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's a really fun video because today is my 26th birthday. I still don't know what the heck I'm doing with my life, but I'm doing a little get ready with me OOTD. I'm showing you guys what I'm wearing and we're going to brunch and just doing nothing crazy, but I wanted to film a little get ready with me so you could see the fit. I have a nice little breakout on my birthday, like ringing in the new birthday year. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below and keep on watching. Starting off with my Elastin Hydratant, the usual.
Be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna
Lathered down with that. Tarte Shape Tape, the usual. You know what it is.
the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Beauty at its finest, guys. And then I gotta wet my sponge, so I'll be right back.
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah, I'm never really satisfied.
Okay, we're doing a little bronze. So I'm doing my Hoola Benefit bronzer and this like Too Faced blush brush. I'm just gonna do a little cheeky bronze action.
You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Got my setting powder. Alright, I'm gonna do a little bit of setting powder. This is the Airspun Loose Face Powder. It's not my favorite. It's just a very good, cheaper alternative for other loose face powders. It just smells like a grandma. We're gonna put that right here.
My heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why.
I need to do my brows, but I can't do them here, so I'm gonna take you into the bathroom, but really quick. That I've been using for my brows. Very basic. It's the Maybelline Tattoo Studios. This is just a brow pomade and then it came with this little like spoolie. But I also use this MAC brush for my brows. I bought this Neutrogena bar soap and I've been using my little spoolie and getting it wet. And then just lightly rubbing it on the soap. And using that as kind of a thing to keep my brows in place.
You should have seen the way that you bloom.
Then I take my brow pomade and I just fill them in as thick as I want, as not thick as I want. The usual. I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera like you saw. I'm going to brush away the powder. Alright, so I'm going to do a little eyeshadow look that I have been using pretty often. It's kind of like a glowy, I just love the glowy summer look. So I take this Urban Decay eyeshadow in the color Shag. And it is like golden bronze color. And I sweep that through my crease. For my lid, I do a little bit of the MAC All That Glitters eyeshadow and I just layer that on my lid.
So why, yeah, I'm never really satisfied, yeah.
And then the last thing, I put a little bit of the MAC Amber Lights. My coffee's here, hold on. Cody, my fiance, has delivered the coffee. I get a cinnamon almond milk cold foam cold brew. I got a venti today because your girl is feeling special. Anyway, Amber Lights, we're adding a little of that into the crease to golden it up. When was y'all's golden birthday? Mine was when I turned 7, obviously because it's February 7th today. And I didn't even know it was my golden birthday. Let's see, when you're 7, you're in 2nd grade. And I think I had a skating rink party. I don't even remember if it was like a good year or not. And then I'm just gonna blend that a little bit. I like to do mascara last. So I'm gonna do Shum blush. I'm almost out, but this is my favorite blush ever. It is the MAC Blush Baby. I need to get another one of these because it's such a good color. I'm also such a blush whore, and I like to layer the blush on as much as possible. Perfect. I use MAC's Soft and Gentle highlight, and I also need to get a new one of these. Today I just need to be glowing.
I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up.
Okay, I need to do this in a mirror, so I'll be right back. Okay, mascara is done, and now it's time for my favorite part of my makeup routine, the lips. Alright, I'm going to be using the lip liner NYX retractable lip liner in the color Vanilla Sky. And then for my lipstick, I'm doing the Tarte Rum Punch, which I'm almost out of. This is my favorite lipstick too. And then on top of that, I'm doing my Tatcha Lip Mask. Alright you guys, that is it for my makeup. I'm gonna do my hair, but I'm not gonna film that part because I have my whole hair tutorial, how I curl my hair video up, so you can go watch that. But I will be back in 1 second and we will pick out my outfit. I just finished doing my hair. I'm going to show you really quick what I'm wearing, and then we will get dressed. First, I'm wearing these jeans from Zara. I showed you them in one of my hauls videos if you want to check it out, but it is their high-waisted wide leg jeans. I'm wearing this super cute top from this boutique online called State of Mind. And then in the way of shoes, I don't know, I was planning on wearing heels, but it's super cold out, so I'm gonna need a closed-toed heel or a closed-toed shoe. But I'm gonna get dressed really quick and then we'll figure it out. OOTD, my jeans and top. And then I have on the Steve Madden Amulet boots. They're just black boots. Here's a better look at the outfit. I didn't really know what shoes to wear because you can't really see them that well with my outfit anyway, so I might change them. I really wanted to wear these Zara heels, but it's so dang cold out and I just like don't think I can do it. But I also need to put on a jacket or I'm gonna freeze to death. But here's a little OOTD for you guys. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll be posting my birthday weekend vlog soon, so be sure to check that out.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. finally know the reason why.